Hello and welcome back. As you see, I have a new mic, so the audio in the last video, that will never happen again. Okay, so here is an Ami order I have. This one was pre-orders. Yes, I did pre-order all this stuff. So I haven't finished the series, but she is my favorite character from the series. I think her character design is just really adorable. Her and Miku, I really like them a lot. I just think she looks really adorable in this outgoing outfit, and this figure is so detailed with the shading, the wrinkles, and it's a big figure too. I think it's a 1/6, I believe. It's a really big figure. Like she's towering over my 1/7 scales. But yeah, she looks really adorable. I really like this figure a lot. It is very detailed, and I feel like it's worth the price they put her out to be. She doesn't look cheap looking at all. Here is Monica from Doki Doki Literature Club. I've been dying for Doki Doki figures because I've been like obsessed with the game since middle school. So I'm so glad they're getting some pop-up parades and some Nendroids. I was hoping for some scales, but I'll settle for a pop-up parade. The base is still bulky and bad, but I'm just glad it's not those rectangle bases. Not rectangle. Hello. Those octagonic bases. Here's the Natsuki Nendroid. She's sitting in front of my Monica Nendroid, and I think the Nendroids did the DDLC like so adorable. I plan on collecting the other girls. I do not have them on pre-order, but I will be adding to cart once it comes in stock. As y'all can see, I do not do pre-orders anymore. But yeah, she looks so adorable. I love her. This one right here is another pre-orders from Ami. I've had this pre-ordered ever since it came out. I'm not gonna spoil what's inside until y'all see it. This is a cute card. Oops. But yes, I got this Danganronpa Kaede scale. I have like a scale of Kyoko, but not of Chiyaki, because I didn't grab her when she's in stock and now she's sold out, and I kind of regret it because I wanted like all three of the girls. But I love Kaede, so I'm glad I picked her up, and I'm still waiting on a scale for Junko. So here is Kaede. The little notes in the back that you have to like put in. It was a pain. It was such a pain. And then it kept falling out. And I'm like, really? But other than that, she looks really cute. I've been following this ever since they like showed the prototype. And I just been so excited to get her in. She's like one of the most anticipated pre-orders of the year. And everything is just so detailed. They did not disappoint us at all. I think it's such a good figure. I think it's like one of my favorite Danganronpa figures ever. I just need for them to make a Junko scale. I feel like they'll make like such an amazing scale of her, or they could. I don't know what company, but any company that would pick her up, she would make like, she has like already amazing poses. Like, I feel like I could plan this out for them, but so I could finally sell all my Junko prize figures and then just have her like in the middle of the shelf just shining above the rest. But other than that, I really like this figure. So this is not some pre-orders, but these are orders placed. I feel like the only shop I shop at is Ami Ami. I was on my Mercari Sparrow a couple of videos ago, but now it's Ami Ami. Crunchyroll, Good Smell, never. I feel like they're too overpriced. But I feel like Ami Ami, the price makes it up with their shipping. But yeah, I get like some random figures, and then I use the C-mail, and then like a couple of months later, I just get some random figures in the mail. I'm like, why did I buy this? But either way, I loved what I got this package, in this package, and I'll show y'all what it is. This box is like begging my camera to back up, but like I got the Nanami scale from Kotobukiya. I really wanted him and he was sold out, but they randomly put it back in stock. And then I got this Shiro cat figure thingy. A lot of people thought they were gonna be like smaller than expected, but she's actually big. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna grab her. Okay, so here's the cat version of Shiro. She is adorable. Y'all know I love the art style from this show. I really wish they made more shows like it. But she is very adorable, very detailed. The shading is very nice. I love like the pastels and her hair, of course. And I don't know, it looks like a typical Shiro figure, but just I like how they made the figure more big. Like, it wasn't specified what scale this figure is, and everybody was like very worried that they're gonna pay like $80 for like a 1/12 scale, but she actually was more like in a 1/6, I believe. And she's actually a very big figure, so which is why I grabbed her up. Yeah, I love Nanami, but every time I see his character, I just think of Yuji going like, Nanami! I love them though, but yes, no spoilers in the comments. I am caught up though, but I love this figure. Kotobuku does a great job with the JJK figures. I really want Toji, but I don't know if he. My shelf is kind of full right now, but other than that, this figure is well detailed. And it's such a simple figure. Like I don't need like such a wow figure that'll take up like half my shelf, like Gojo. But I really like the I really like the Gojo figure though, so um, yeah, I'm just glad I have like the whole gang together, Nanami included. Ah. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching my video. I'm sorry if this short video is a bit short. I don't like having like a wide monthly span between the clips I show because I'm cutting down figures per month. But please share and subscribe if you can. Your support means so much to me. And have a good day, guys. Bye.